If you see the message SS06 device banned, learn more. When you open your Snapchat application, it means that your account on your device has been banned. However, there are steps that you can take to resolve this. So first, go ahead and adjust your location settings. Before that, go to Snapchat. Then after, click on this location settings right here and make sure that you have allowed the location on your Snapchat. Then after, go to settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps. Use the search bar and search for Snapchat application. Go ahead and click on it. Now go to permission and ensure that the location is enabled. This helps Snapchat verify your location and confirm that you're the account owner. Now go back to your device main menu settings. Here select general management option. And if you see any VPN and device management option, and if you have a VPN enabled, turn it off and ensure that you're connected to your local Wi-Fi or your cellular network. Also go back to your device main menu settings. And if you're using iPhone, you can go ahead and click on the iPhone storage, then find Snapchat and tap on Upload app and then reinstall app. This will update Snapchat to the latest version and can fix many bugs or glitches. But on Android, you can go to storage, click on clear cache. You can also clear the data, but you need to have your login credentials. Then after, open your Google Play Store, search for Snapchat application. On iPhone, you can open your App Store and then search for Snapchat. If you see an update button instead of open, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest and newest version available. This will update Snapchat to the latest version and can fix many bugs or glitches. And sometimes this can take days, weeks, or in some cases, the ban may be permanent. So if you're still unable to log in, you'll unfortunately need to wait until the ban is lifted. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.